In today's video, I'm going to show you real quick how to work the emergency brake or parking brake on a 2021 Mazda 6. The first thing you're going to do is the parking brake isn't where you would find it on a lot of vehicles. It's actually right here in the center console. It's this little switch right here. To set the parking brake, you're just going to pull on that switch. It's going to light up. You're going to hear a little noise. And then if you look at the dash, you'll notice that now the brake is set. Then to turn off the parking brake, this is the one that gets a little bit tricky. You're going to press down on the brake pedal. Once you press down on the brake pedal, you're going to push this. You'll notice it flash a couple times. You'll hear a noise again, and then you'll notice that the parking brake is now off. That's all there is to it. Pretty simple process. Please consider subscribing. It really helps us to make more videos just like this. Give the video a like, comment with any questions, and thanks for watching.